What's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a quick video here just on a couple of things that I got done. I got a Kryptonite tow bar on the front, and then I also got BDS traction bars installed, which have been a huge help. So real quick, here's the Kryptonite tow bar. I originally had a Kryptonite tow bar and Kryptonite drag link. But with the drag link and the BDS and everything and having to go back to a factory pitman arm and all that, it just didn't work out and had horrible bumps here. So I ended up ditching the, I believe it's the traction bar. This one right here. I always forget which one it is, but this bar right here. That did not work out, so I went back to the BDS drop pitman arm, and then I did a Ford OEM bar there and kept the Kryptonite tow bar. But this thing drives super straight now. Feels like the front end just feels absolutely like a monster. And then also I did the BDS traction bars, and you can kind of see them down there. I'm going to go in for a little closer picture, but even with the BDS traction bars and no bags yet, the squat on the truck is not as bad as it used to be. Like I said, I still got to get the bags installed, but right now I have about 3 yards of three quarter gravel in the trailer that I'm going to go dump here in a little bit. But you can see these BDS Recoil Traction Bars, they look tough, and man, do they make a difference. They really do. Almost fell over. So they go down there and they attach down on the axle, and then they come up to the frame. And right now I have them set in the middle. So these are actually really cool. So you can change these if you want them completely locked down, or if you want a lot of loose play in them, you get some options with them. And so right now they're set about halfway. And they come with this really cool wrench that comes with the kit. And this is what the wrench looks like. It comes with these monster wrenches where you can lock it out. And then these are like the different measurements of how close it is. And this is kind of the middle. This is the tightest, and then this is the loosest when it's all the way back here. So it's really cool in that sense. But man, what a difference for pulling a trailer. It just completely plants the tire to the ground. And it really overall just gives it a whole new feeling in terms of pulling here. And so I would say anybody who does any pulling or anything like that, any type of towing, definitely invest in yourself and your truck with some traction bars. And then you can see, I mean, I got a lot of gravel back here. Definitely not maxing out the trailer, but it's what they need right now. And so there's about 3 yards of gravel in there. I've carried up to 4 yards in here. Tomorrow I'm most likely going to be doing 5. But yeah, overall the truck is just it's really just a workhorse, man. These trucks are awesome. It's got a 5-inch delete on there, tune, 6-inch BDS lift, hostile 20-inch wheels by 12-inch, 37 by 13.5 trail graps. And the trailer is a 2025 Interstate 7x14 trailer with 14K axles. Overall, this truck is an absolute animal, and it's just a machine. I will be having bags installed. It's kind of tough to see, but there is let me see if I can see it. That's where they put the pump right down there. You can see those little brackets. It's kind of tough to see. I can't really get a good angle. You know, let me open the door real quick. Let me see. Hang on. Bear with me. There we go. So now you can see the pump there. That's the compressor for it. So that will be what powers the actual bags. And then right here, what they got to do is they got to get some U-bolts to flip that over, so that way it actually mounts correct to the truck for the bags. So I'll do a whole other video on that once I get that installed, probably in about another week. But so far with this trailer and this truck and everything, this is a money maker. So hope you like the videos so far. If you guys have any questions, about the traction bars or the bags I'm putting on or the lift or just anything about the truck at all, just let me know. Absolutely, I'm all about replying in the comments. If you like what I do, give this video a thumbs up, give me a follow. There's going to be plenty more of this stuff to come. So thanks guys, have a good day, and more videos to come. Bye.